Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add money to your OnePay account using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom menu and tap on Add Money or Top Up. This will take you to the main screen where you can load funds into your OnePay account. Next, select the amount you want to add. Most apps allow you to type in custom amount or choose from present amount. Then choose your payment method. You can easily add money through a debit card, credit card or linked bank account. Select the one you prefer. Enter the required details for your chosen payment method like your card number, expiry date and CVV if using a card. Make sure all the information is correct. Once everything is entered, tap add money or confirm. The app may ask for a one-time password OTP sent through SMS or email to confirm your transaction. Enter the OTP to complete the process. After confirmation, your OnePay balance will be updated and the money will be available for payment, transfer or other OnePay fees. Double check your balance after adding money to make sure it reflects correctly. And that's it, you have successfully added money to your OnePay account using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.